first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This is $7 going 4.5 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the McDonald's app today?
Thank you. Me too. For you.
Thank you very much.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Got the next order right away. This is on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is going to be going right back to McDonald's. This one's going 4 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Here, is that for you?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Me too. Morning. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Total for that was $6 and change. Next order up is a Subway. This is going 6.5 miles. Thank you. No tip on that one. Wowee. Total for that was $5. Next up is a Carl's Jr. This one is going 5 miles. I got $2 out of that. Amazing. I guess that was a no tip. And next up is a Seize the Bagel going 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $7, and I got the next one right away. This is Donut Nook going 6.5 miles.
What's your name? Trisha?
Yes, thank you. That's another no tip. Gotta love it. Total for that was $6, and next up is a Mr. Maple Donuts going 4 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. No tip on that. Oh my goodness. Total for that was $4 and change. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This is $7 going 2.5 miles. There you are.
Thanks.
Yep. Have a good day. Next order up is a Starbucks. This is $7 going 2 miles. Thank you.
One food item for you. Have a good one.
You too. So much for that being a good order. They did the thing where they take everybody else's order before they start doing the deliveries. I hate when they do that. Got this next order right away. This is Habanero's Mexican food. This is going 6 miles. Surely DoorDash wouldn't give me another no tip, right? Looks like I got here 1 minute after opening, but I'm not sure if they're actually open or they just forgot to unlock that door. Hello? the next order right away. This is Black Rock Coffee going 2 miles.
Just this one for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a wonderful day.
You too. Easy enough. Total for that was $7. Okay, actually a good order. And then we get a Wendy's. This one's going 3.5 miles.
Hello, welcome to Wendy's. What can I get started for you for today?
Thank you, you too. This would be on the top floor. Total for that one was $6. Next up is a stack going to the same person. We've got Angels and a different Wendy's. This is going 6 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $15. Next up is a Jack in the Box. This is going 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was just under $9. Next up is a Hello Waffle Cart. This is going 4.5 miles.
That was right here, baby. I got the straw in the back.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $7. Next up is a McDonald's. This is going just under 3 miles. Total for that one was $6, and I think I'm gonna go home. Well, I'm gonna go fuel up and then go home. Current time is 9:54. Total ended up with 121. Not sure how that happened. Now imagine if everybody tipped. Would have been even better. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.